Where do you find the fuse boxes in your 2024 Ford Expedition? Do you need a clear diagram to identify each fuse's purpose? Whether you're troubleshooting an electrical issue or curious, this guide will show you the fuse box locations and explain the layout. Let's dive in to make sure you can easily find what you need. Underhood fuse box. The underhood fuse box of the 2024 Ford Expedition contains essential fuses for systems like the engine, cooling, and exterior lights. It features clearly labeled fuses and relays for easy identification and maintenance. The box is designed with a weather-resistant seal to protect against moisture and debris. Body Control Module Fuse Box. The Body Control Module Fuse Box in the 2024 Ford Expedition manages fuses for interior functions such as power windows, lighting, and locks. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. The compact design ensures quick access and efficient organization of electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.